Today we are making this crispy and delicious fried tilapia. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Vikki in the kitchen. Let's get right into it. So I've washed my tilapia in some vinegar and water. I'm going to descale it very well to ensure that I have good presentation. You don't want to fry a tilapia and then you see scales standing all over it. No. So take your time and descale it very well. So once we are done descaling it, we want to wash it for the second time to get rid of any excess scales. Okay, then we are going to go ahead and cut the fins of the tilapia and the gills as well. Feel free to cut off any part of the fish that you do not want. Also, I'm cutting out the inside of the neck of the tilapia. I don't know what it's called, but some people don't like the inside, so I'm just taking this one out to show you, but I wouldn't be taking it out of the second one because I don't really mind, but you can if you want. Next, I'm going to pat it dry with some kitchen towel to make sure that there's no moisture in there. After that, I'll begin spicing the tilapia. This is some Ejawari spice. I'm also going in with anise powder and some stock cube and salt to taste. So please, the salt is to your taste, and note that fish does not like a lot of salt, so please be careful while spicing the fish so that you don't over salt it. Then you are going to massage the spice on the fish. I forgot to score my fish. That is the lines I'm making on it right now. It means I'm scoring them. You can make 3 lines or 4 lines if that's what you want. 2 lines works best for me. Then you want to massage the spice into every area of the fish. All the lines you made in there, you want the spice to go in there nicely, and even the mouth and the opening on the side, you want the spice to go in there beautifully. Once that is done, we are going to marinate this fish on our kitchen counter for an hour, or if you are putting it in the fridge, you can let it be there for 2 hours, then defrost it when you are done. Okay, so it's almost time to fry our fish. I'm going to put in some oil under medium heat and then let that be heating whilst we go and check on our fish. And the fish has marinated nicely. I'm going to use some soft flour and I'll spread it onto my chopping board because I don't want the fish to stick under the pan when I'm frying it. Okay, that's why we coat it with the fish, and it also helps the fish to come out nice and crunchy. So after we are done coating the fish, we'll go ahead and then check on our oil. So to check if our oil is hot enough, we want to just use a piece of onion, and then once it's hot, we drop in our tilapia and begin frying. So I'll add in some more onion for flavor. You can use onion and garlic or omit it if you do not want it. Okay, so with the first one, I was checking on it within a few minutes to see if it's ready, and I flip it over. Once it's not done, I wait for another 2 to 3 minutes and I come back and check on it again. So that was how I fried it until it was very much done. I also took out the onions because I do not want them to burn in the oil. So I came back to check on it for the last time, and my tilapia was as good as ready. Okay, this is how beautiful it came out. It's very nice. I'm frying the second batch as well, the second one as well, but this time around I just fried it on the both sides just once. Okay, yes, and I took out the onions as well. So I came back to check up on it and it was ready. So I dished it onto my sieve to drain off all the excess oil, and it was as good as done. This was very good and it went so well. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. It was indeed crispy. So if you want it crispy, please serve it hot. Okay, we had ours with some banku and it went so well. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your girl a like. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you for all your support. So I'll see you when I post my next video. Remember, God loves you. Bye.